Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I would like to share with you on how I did my vehicle renewal. Vehicle registration renewal here in Cagayan de Oro City. But first of all, what are the requirements needed for the renewal? So, you need your previous ORCR, CTPL insurance, and the emission results. So right now, I'm reading my notes para exact what I'm going to share or tell you here in the video. So aside from the requirements needed, it is very important for us also owner to have an access or registered sa LTO LTMS portal. So why the LTO portal is very important because it gives convenience to us that we can access services like the license, renewal, or vehicle registration online anywhere and anytime. Well, the good thing about the LTO portal, na siya reminder like what I experienced. As you can see on the video, on the photo, gapa-remind siya when to renew your vehicle. Dayon, uh, or you forgot to renew your vehicle. So in my experience there, nalimot ko renew. So the question now is where to renew your vehicle. So, aside sa LTO, na ay mga inspection center na affiliated center, inspection center nga affiliated kang LTO. So, parehas sa like the
last year, diri pamuan, pwede ra mo mag-renew gihapon karon. Bisa nalimtan ninyo yung password. So, bisa nalimtan ninyo yung password kato nagpa-renew online last year diri. Pwede ra mo maduwa sa pagkauban para matabangan mo, para dili na mo ang suka sa LTO karon.
auto profile, located na siya sa Bulwa. I'll put the Google Map. I'll share the Google Map sa auto profile, which is more convenient and less hassle because you don't need to go to LTO office to renew your vehicle. They are the one who will do it for you. Even the CTPL or the compulsory third-party liability insurance, it is given already in the area. So, in my case, since I forgot o nalimot ko renew, na ako'y penalty. I have penalty. So, if you have the same scenario with me, the same experience, the same scenario, pag inana nga scenario, all you need to do is ikaw mismo mag-renew. You have to go to LTO because they cannot renew for you because you have penalty. Then only the LTO will compute how much it costs for the penalty. So I hope guys this video helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell for more video updates. Thank you for watching.